Hey guys, just a quick little vlog update. You may be wondering why I'm so slow besides selling houses and things like that. I have been working on some calibration for you guys for your animatronic eyeball. When I built it, I didn't have to do the calibration because the code made sense to me. I have to make this thing calibrated so everybody, whoever makes this, can calibrate all their animatronics. So it's a little more complicated. So let me give you a quick rundown of what I'm working on. It's not done yet, but I'll give you an idea. So in here in the serial communication window here, we can use ASWZ to move the eyeball up, down. So I'm moving the eyeball up, and I go to the maximum I can get it to, and then I go to Z is go back down, and we're going to take it. Hard for me to see it because it's off to the side here. Note that it's keeping track on the screen of the current servo value, the maximum, the minimum. So this allows the user to go ahead and find the upper and lower limits of their eyeball. It takes a minute. They only have to do this one time to find the values. So we'll use A and S to move left and right. Again, keeping in mind on the screen, it's keeping the values stored. Okay, so now we'll go the other way. Go, and then you can do the blink with E and X. So E opens the eyelid, and X closes it. Okay, so now that we hit all the limits, note that we have the maximum and minimum servo values for the blink, the left, right, and the up, down. If I put in F for finished, it will go in and it will play those limits to make sure that it can reach all those positions. And now you have all your values for your servo, and you can plug this into the animatronic program and use it. Anybody can use it now, basically. You calibrate your own servos. I've done a similar thing for the analog inputs that I'll combine with this program and release this to everybody. Just need to clean it up a little bit, but just letting you know, for those of you people who are really wanting to get into this or waiting, it's not so simple as for me to just release the code that I had on my animatronic demo unit. You gotta, every servo is different, every analog pot is a little bit different, so you need to find out what the values are for your specific setup. So I had to go write this code here so that you guys can get the values without having to hunt and peck and try to figure out what the values are. So yeah, so it's coming. This is where I am right now, but I thought I'd give you a quick little update, so stay tuned.